Hey guys, so quick video for you about the A27Qi, the reasons why you shouldn't buy it. Now, okay, you get like 2K clear image quality, 27-inch display, 120 Hz refresh rate, of 300 nits brightness, wide color gamut, so that's also great. What kind of thing you have to be aware of. And also multi-screen color consistency. So it's a good monitor, and also for the price it's great, but you have like limited connectivity. You get DisplayPort 1.4, you get HDMI 2.0, and you get like audio X1 DC in, but you don't have any USB-C, no USB hub, no built-in speakers. So for MacBook you will need a dock, okay? So only tilt adjustment on the stand, so no height adjustment, no swivel, no pivot. So that's kind of another thing to be aware of. Now, when we're gonna go even further, you have 300 nits brightness, and fine for indoor use, but if you got sunny room or you're near a window, it might struggle. Be aware of it, okay? You have 6 ms response time, so adequate for office work and casual gaming, but that's pretty much it, right? And don't expect like competitive like FPS playing out of it. So the response time is kind of like okay-ish. It's not gaming in a monitor. You don't have built-in speakers. That's another thing. And yeah, and also with adjustable, if you want to adjust the height or rotation, you're out of luck unless you mount it. So that's like very important thing. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video provided value, what you can actually expect out of the monitor, and have a great day and goodbye.